Hey, how's everyone doing? We're back here. We're working on the 2007 Chevy van here. Let's see. Finally got the transmission in. That took a... But here it is, $1,100 later. And yeah, this was a hard transmission to find. So we're going to put this in today. I'm waiting on a buddy to show up. And he's going to help me put this in. But it's an MC-P transmission. 4L80E. Looks like it's rebuilt. It's all painted black. So here we go. Yeah, I'll throw this sucker in. And we'll see how she goes from there. Came with the converter too. And yeah, I'll fill this thing up. We'll slide it on. Good to go. Here goes the old transmission. So, yeah, that fluid was blacker than black. And yeah, let me get a buddy over here as we wait, and we'll install this thing and see how she goes. It's not a how-to video, it's just more or less we're following the path of this project. Little updates here and there. So, we'll be back. Bye. All right, guys, we're back. We got her running finally. Transmission's in. I'm about to jack her down and take it for a nice little test drive. Let's see. We'll start down here. Whoa. There we go. Tranny's in. Everything's nicey nice. I still have to weld my exhaust. What happened with that was one of the bolts on the exhaust manifold was stripped out, and to take the exhaust off at the bottom of the exhaust manifold, and I didn't feel like playing with replacing the exhaust manifolds on this. So I cut it there. I got it piped together, and I got a welder. I'll weld it all up, but I want to make sure everything's okay with it first before I go welding everything together. But here we go. So nice. Let's get up. Whoa. I threw a seat in. I got the engine in here. New oil pressure sending unit. Now the oil works, oil pressure. So we got about 20 at idle. Which I guess, you know, that's about normal, I guess. I like to see that 40 at idle, but hey, it is what it is. So let's hopefully it turns out to be okay. All right, so let me get this thing jacked down. We're gonna take it for a ride around the block and see how she goes. All righty. All right, bye. All right, guys, here she goes. She's a good runner. Runs nice. Actually runs really nice. Drives good. Goes good. Transmission, used transmission, that $1,000 transmission works like a charm. Yeah, so let's go take her for a ride. Emergency brake works on it. All the heat, everything works. Oh, air conditioning. Swear to God to you all my life. AC's ice cold in this thing. So how's that for you? All right, I got to get my seatbelt on, so hold on one second. Yeah, got oil pressure. That works now. Everything's pretty good in here. Yeah, just put it in drive. Yeah, someone's out there fishing already. There's a little bit of a humming, so it's either I got some kind of wheel hub going somewhere. We're getting a misfire code. I still got to weld up the exhaust. I just got it hanging on there on some sleeves, so the pipe's banging around in the back on the rear quarter of this thing. But yeah, she goes good, man. Ride's nice and solid. My buddy Louie loosened up all my shelves in the back here because we were going to take them out one day, or when he was cleaning it, and so they're all banging around, falling over in the back. But yeah, she goes good. Looks like I might have a whiteout. Signal's going fast. Yeah, not bad at all. That's the first time I gave it a little juice. Yeah, real happy. I never put the seat in yet over here. I just threw the doghouse back in because it was too hot to drive. Let's see, what else? Yeah, so next step is going to be a nice tune-up on this. Now that I know it runs and drives and everything's okay with it, the brakes work good, so I got to pull the wheels off and inspect the brakes. But other than that, they seem to work fine. Yeah, put the valve cover gaskets on. What else we got to do? You hear the shells banging around? Yeah, valve cover gaskets. I got to pull the plugs out, see what they look like. Probably put all new 8 plugs on there. See which coil pack needs to be replaced. If not, replace them all. I don't know. We'll see. They sell kits for like 200 bucks. Because with the plugs, wires, and coils, you just drop them in. Done. Yeah, so we're doing pretty good. All right, so I'll shut this off for now, and I'll finish this up when I get back home. Bye. All right, here we go. We're back here in the driveway. Yeah, no complaints. She's running good. Drives good. Brakes are good. We're doing pretty good. I threw the other seat in just for now. I didn't bother putting any of this cladding back in on the bottom. I have it laying right down there. I gotta pull excuse me, I gotta pull this thing all apart just to clean it give it a real good detail, paint the rubber mats in here, make it nice, you know. So yeah, that's the plan for there. We're gonna tune it up, make sure she got a good tune up on it. What else? I got 2 projects down here still. Oh. Let's see, we got to weld the exhaust over there. 2 different pipes there. You can see the 2 patches, one here, one over there. And if you look right here on the floor, I got to pull the dry shaft back out again. Let's see if I can get it closer for you guys. Where the dry shaft's connected in, the rear seal's leaking on here, which is a pretty simple fix. I got to jack this up anyways to weld everything. So at the same time, I could pull the dry shaft off, pop that seal out, pop another one in. They're easy enough to do. And yeah, and that's it. You can see all the fluid right here dripping. What else? And that's it. No other complaints here. You know, get the exhaust all lined up properly again. I just wasn't doing any more work to this thing up until I knew for sure that it ran and drive and everything was fine before I dump any real money into this thing. So yeah, there we go. That's it for this video. Next one's either going to be tuning her up. Let's see, yeah, tuning it up, cleaning it up. It's going to be one of those videos. We'll see. I have leftover paint from the hood for all the peeling pieces, like on the door there. Fix the rusty thing under the door there. On the roof has a big patch of paint missing and the 2 front fenders. I'll hit it up. She's just sanding it down, put a little etching primer on, and I got a spray gun and everything. Just done. I need a back bumper too. So I got to find one of those. Hopefully get one cheap enough, 100 bucks or something. Yeah, and that's it. Then she'll be done. So yeah, definitely a good deal for 150 bucks so far. All said and done, I'll probably have $2 grand into it. But where else are you going to get a 3,500 6-liter van for, you know what I mean, 150 bucks, or say $2 grand total. So I think we might come out winning on this one. Or not, you never know. So we'll see. But we'll have fun trying anyway. So until the next video on the van, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.